This is a morning with Wuddle. 4 quick changes to a real website and a look at why doing them safely is harder than it sounds. It starts with a simple ask, like change the headline. Just tell Wuddle what you want, in natural language the way you'd tell a person. If Wuddle doesn't understand what you mean, it'll ask for clarification. Now watch what it does before it changes anything. Wuddle reads your site first, a safe, read-only look at exactly what's there. It never types a single change until it understands what it's touching. Most tools just start editing and hope. Wuddle looks before it moves. And there it is, a real headline change, exactly what you asked for. Next, the buttons, a new shade of purple across the whole site. One sentence. And here's what makes this rare. Styling a button usually depends on how your site was built. Elementor, Divi, Gutenberg, Salient, PageSpark. Every builder does it a little bit differently, and most tools only handle one. Wuddle works across all of them. It figures out how your site is built and then speaks that language, so it doesn't matter what you use to make your site. Wuddle just works. Every button updated at once, no hunting through settings, no builder to learn. It just changed everywhere it needed to. That's the difference between a tool that fits your site and a site you have to fit. So as we can see here, all the buttons were updated to the new color and everything looks great. Now something trickier, swapping an image. This is where understanding matters. Wuddle doesn't just find and replace a file. It looks at where the image lives, what's around it, how it's used across the page, the whole context. It sees your site the way you do, one connected thing, not a pile of parts. So when it makes a change, it's making them with the full picture in mind. Nothing important gets knocked loose in the process. That's not search and replace. That's understanding. Now, new image is in place and everything around it is still exactly right. The layout holds, nothing shifted, and nothing broke. This is exactly what it looks like when the tool actually knows what it's doing instead of guessing and leaving you to clean it up. So for the last test, we're going to do something a little bit more difficult. We're going to clone a brand new page based on the same layout as one we already have. And here's the promise that ties it all together. Everything Wuddle does is saved as a checkpoint, the moment before preserved. So if you ever don't like a change, you're not but one click from putting it back exactly how it was. Nothing is ever permanent. Nothing is ever risky. That's what lets you say yes to an AI touching the website, not blind trust, but a safety net under every move. Wuddle doesn't just change your site. Wuddle protects it. And now, as you can see, we're processing the page, and it's built in seconds instead of minutes or hours. And every step behind it is undoable. That's 4 changes done, and not one of them could break your site. So that was a morning with Wuddle. It reads before it writes, it works with any builder, it understands your whole site, and it never does anything you can't undo. Wuddle, website help, but just guess it right.